Welcome back to another episode of Making Simple Investment. Guys, it's Monday. The market is looking poised. Now, let's take a look at AMC. Now, the stock right now is trading below $25 per share. This is a blow to anyone that was holding. Um, 2 months back, we can see, let's take a look 3 months here. We see back in November, AMC touches $45 per share. And then we see obviously back in September, we break $50 per share. But the share approximately right now is done huge compare to September's high. And we're looking at least 50% um, lost in value. Now, okay, what does this mean at the current time? Now, we understand that AMC was a risk from the beginning. However, due to the fact that we see the new variants of the coronavirus starts to like change how things are, and then we see it's really impacting the retail. We saw movie theater change as well, and overall we see a shift in the market. But guys, please keep in mind that the reason why we see such a huge drop since last week is because um, news starts to circulate that and the CEO, Mr. Adam Aaron, and the CFO Sean Goodman sold a significant amount of shares, and this kind of have investors an edge. Basically, and the CEO sold $9.65 million in share as part of his estate planning. Now, please keep in mind he did mention this. He he came out publicly, I believe, back in August or July, that he would be selling some shares. So, um, not really concerned in that aspect. However, it is an overall concern and not a good look at the company. But if you put yourself in his situation, like he's trying to sell some shares before the end of the year, like anyone, right? Coronavirus starts to circulate again. We saw a few countries in the European side starts to shut down. We see the rise in Canada. We see the rise in some part of the US. So if you're in his position, definitely you want to set aside a few million to make sure that your family and to make sure that you're financially stable. Now, in terms of the CFO, Mr. Sean Goodman as well, um, he sold not as much, around 565,000. Again, it's a no-brainer. I'm assuming this is some kind of financial security to make sure that he's protected, right? But in total, what they're looking at right now is that, and the CEO sold 625,000 shares um, for around 25 million a month before, and now he sold another 9.65 million shares again. So um, it's not looking too great, guys. But if you're in it short term, as I said, you need to do your research. No one is telling you that you need to take this risk. But again, I've gone in this morning. I would like to see if we can bounce back anywhere in the $27 to $28 for the day, and then we'll take it day by day. So if you're invested in it, it's a decision you have to make if you want to use a stop loss to protect your capital. If you go in it for the first time, it's a great opportunity for you to make some short-term profit. So as usual, guys, let me know if you sold, if you're buying, if you're staying on the sideline. And as usual, protect your capital. Always invest with money that you can afford to wait until the market comes up, because if you invest in the company and if the market goes down and if you sell, then you will definitely lose your investment. So again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.